When we looked at the people, their peer group, an organization that competes on analytics and does a good job to understand their information are 3.6 times more likely to outperform their peer group.
We have taken our major event activity and divided it up around specific content areas. Because we find that for our customers, they have their experts and specialists that want to go to events that give specific focus to the areas that are of most concern to them. This event obviously deals with all aspects of database and information, analytics, big data, and I'll talk about in just a minute, and provides that opportunity for a lot of intense interaction, hundreds of breakout sessions, hundreds of client speakers. We have other events throughout the year. We have a major event in the spring here in Las Vegas as well for our whole business agility, WebSphere-based portfolio transaction processing, messaging, business process management. Our big Lotus event occurs in January. We have a major event for systems management, security, and asset management in the February time frame. It's part of the Tivoli initiative, as well as some other parts of our portfolio. And then we do application development and the Rational event in the June timeframe. So in aggregate, we're bringing in well in excess of 40,000 clients across those events throughout the year, and then running numerous local events around the world. In fact, many of us participated in an event we had in Singapore for customers in the ASEAN region. We had about 2,500 attendees at that event just 2 weeks ago.
If you are pursuing some debt collection, what's the priority in which to follow that? We are building the models on client data and providing the answers. That's the type of innovation that makes cloud very interesting. And one final point on our point of view with cloud is the word hybrid. Because at the end of the day, there's a lot of hype around it. And what you got to think about is, well, what makes sense? What makes sense is to have analytics done on data that's born in the cloud, and have analytics on data that's on-prem done on-prem, and have the two interoperate seamlessly, have the analytics interoperate seamlessly, and that's what we're working on.